Cold brew coffee at home. Save money and time by making incredibly rich and smooth cold brew coffee at home. It has never been easier and more affordable. All you need is a Primula cold brew coffee maker for incredible results. Do-it-yourself craft cold brew. Our unique cold brew extraction process produces flavorful, full-bodied cold brew coffee and tea. The perfect gift for any novice or coffee enthusiast. Something to enjoy and use for many years. Streamlined design. Simply add coffee grounds to the brew filter, pour cold water over the coffee, and let brew overnight or to desired strength. Serve cold, over ice or hot. Add milk, creamer, syrups or flavorings to fit your taste preferences, or add ice for an extra refreshing cup of coffee. Hassle-free cold brew designed to make cold brewing easy and mess-free. Easy to use, dishwasher safe, effortless cleanup, durable glass construction, removable filter, and fits most refrigerator doors or shelves. Makes up to 6 cups, 52 ounces, of smooth, delicious cold brew coffee. Time for cold brew. A slow brewed cup of cold brew coffee is the perfect way to start the day. Create the cold brew coffee you can't wait to wake up to. Primula makes cold brew simple and affordable. Why Primula's cold brew coffee is better, an industry leader for over 30 years. Primula always delivers the highest quality, award-winning products that are patented, thoroughly tested and highly reviewed. Striding to set the standard for satisfaction and reliability. Top reviews from the United States. Best cold brew I've ever tasted. I got hooked on Stoke cold brew after a lifetime of being a non-coffee drinker. I could see that becoming an expensive habit, so I decided to try making my own. This little pitcher is a marvel. It's a simple design. I got the pretty smoke blue one, but one I would never have been able to improvise. You may find you benefit from a funnel to add your coffee to the filter. You pour 2 cups of water through the filter over the coffee grounds, stir it up to make sure they're all wet, and then add another 3 to 4 cups of water to the pitcher. I throw mine in the fridge for about 15 hours, then pour it through a coffee filter to ensure I don't have any wayward grounds. It makes super concentrated cold brew. Your yield is less than 5 cups because the grounds absorb a fair bit, which I then add to my 48-ounce Stoke bottle for storage and fill the rest of the way with water for the perfect balance. When I make my cold brew beverage, I pour it over ice, half coffee and half Fairlife protein shake, add 2 Splenda and stir. It is amazing. You don't have to spend $8 a cup for the perfect, sugar-free I might add, coffee. Just for information, I use regular ground members Mark Donut Shop coffee that I buy at Sam's Club, and it's perfect.